Hey, this one's for you. We were talking about speed. Once we add under the video editor from PC an MP4, that's an MP4 file. So it's got to be an MP4. It can't be from OBS or Open Broadcast Studio. You may want to try it from a PowerPoint. And you could do insert. And up here, you could screen record and play around this way and see those sort of file extensions. What I've done is downloaded an MP4 video from my YouTube videos. So I upload these MKVs, I audit in YouTube, and then I can download from YouTube an MP4 file. I haven't tried adjusting the MKV suffix. I call this a suffix, but it's a different file name. I haven't tried adjusting these into an MP4 directly. This MP4 is downloaded from YouTube, from the web. And then I go under Video Editor, and you can find it here, Video Editor. Click this open. Here, Video Editor. Open this guy up. You can see here I have a projects library. I go add from PC, and I just add an MP4. I'll add this guy too. So it can take MP4s, it cannot take MKV. Let's say I try adding this. It doesn't like an MKV from OBS recordings. When I get rid of this guy, back in the library, or right click, remove this video clip, and you and I were discussing speeding up these videos. So here I'm going to start playing it.
This is Jasmine. I am going to show you
and I'm going to zoom in
user-defined function. Before
to speed.
you do anything
There you
under
go. This is it. I'm going real fast. So I'm going to stop it. And then I'm going to go finish video up here and export. And I'm going to call this videos testing speed MP4. So now it's exporting the video. And I really would like to speed up different sections of the video. Let's see here. Can you hear this? So it's like speedy. This is pretty funny. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this. I'm sure there's a way where you could speed up certain sections of the video. This isn't as good a start as any. And just something else I want to show you is this background music. Let's say you want to do your recording for the sewing of the jackets and the embroidery that you do. I don't know if you can hear this block party. Here, let me cancel this. You come up here to background music. Here's all the different music out there. Let's say you want to increase the volume. You notice how the volume's not quite increasing, but if I go to arcade party, it increases. Now I'm going to go to anodize, and it increases as well. I want to reduce it. You notice how it's not reducing. Let me go to block party. and it's a lower volume, anodized, and then decreases the volume. I hope these 2 tips are helpful, and I'm gonna try and get Steve to bid for me on your work because I think what you're doing is a wonderful cause, and if I do help you here and there, maybe you can design my wedding dress. Remember you made me that promise? Okay,